This is Balitang Ilocos Online.
Meron na naman daw padating si Dante. So hopefully, hindi kasi hindi din malakas. Kasi si Chrissy, although ano yung ulan, hindi masyadong mahangin, diba? So hindi wala masyadong pinsala. So ngayon, hopefully, mag-meeting pa nga kami ulit at 3 o'clock with the resiliency office and all the mga disaster officers. Mag-meeting kami ng 3 to check again yung mga operating procedures namin. Kasi syempre kailangan may stock yung mga pagkain, food packs and all that sa different warehouses. And yung mga, we have to coordinate also with INEC. Kasi yun din po minsan naging problema. So yun, those are ng preparations yung gagawin namin.
Advice natin sa public, ma'am.
Please stay home, stay safe muna, and just watch out for the different activities in front of us. Kasi today, nag-cancel ang lahat because it was a directive from Malacanang. So kahit na medyo makulimlim lang, pero it's best na everyone is safe.
Ma'am, yung bagyong Krising, any damages sa...
Meron din ba damage? I-check ko pa lang yung the extent. Pero nagka-report na yung engineering office namin kung ano na yung mga ano. Plus, nagkasama pa dun sa earthquake, di ba? There was an earthquake before the storm. So, lahat yun, chine-check namin. My first storm po ito. Si Chrissy.